So hello guys, in this video I will show you where to find all of your recordings on Zoom. So for that, first of all, you guys will need to open any web browser on your computer and then you guys will need to search zoom.us. After getting on the website, the first thing you guys will need to do is log into your account on this top right section. After that, you guys can be able to see this My Account option right here. Now just select it and you will get on this profile page right here. After that, select this recordings option from this list and then you guys can be able to see this local recordings option right here. Now just select it and here you guys can see all of your recordings you have made till now, and if you want to see any recording, now just select its open button and here you can see guys the folder of my recording has been opened, and just like that you can access all of your recordings right in your computer. So that's how you guys do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos, and thanks for watching.